In the last lesson, we were able to code a poetic chatbot. However, the model will only be able to answer questions based on the general knowledge it has from the data it's been trained on. Let's see what happens when we ask a more specific question to this model. So we can create a new prompt that asks, what is the next course to be uploaded on the 365 Data Science platform? You can see that the model has given a response, but there's no actual answer in this response. The model isn't able to tell us which course will be uploaded next onto the 365 Data Science platform because it just doesn't have this data available. GPT models have been trained on a lot of data, but this data only goes as far as 2021, so they might not have the most up-to-date information. But there is a solution. Using LangChain, we are able to import our own data and have this read by our language models. Our language models can then reference this when creating a response using the LangChain framework. So let's have a look at what LangChain is and what it can be used for.